Hello everybody, today I would like to share some really easy and useful tips and tricks with you. The tips and tricks are tried and tested and hopefully will work for most of you. There are a number of people who experience tiredness in their legs all throughout the day. The worst is getting up with a pain in the leg and having a feeling that you cannot walk. If you are one of these people who are suffering from tired legs frequently, then here are some quick home remedies that can help you get relief from tired legs. Best home remedies for feet and leg pain. Get a bucket of warm water, however make sure that it is not very hot. Now add 2 spoons of Dettol, some shampoo and a tablespoon of salt, and dip your legs in the water for almost 15 to 20 minutes. This quick remedy is sure to help your feet get rid of bacteria and also relief from tired legs. To get relief from leg tiredness and pain, it is important that you take enough rest, so that your legs get a break. If you wear high heels, then it is advisable that you should avoid wearing them on days when you feel your legs are tired. Also, eating a healthy and balanced meal that provides you with enough calcium and vitamin E can keep the leg tiredness and pain away.